Alright, I'm about ready to hook up the emergency brake cable into the firewall. So here I've got the new one here. I had to get the new one going from the firewall down to the back, and then in here also has new ones for I think the rear. I'll have to double check, but actually I'll do it now. Yep. So looks like these are for the rear at the axle. I reused the original ones. They were in really good condition. Soaked them pretty good and oiled them up, and they were really nice. So I'll hold on to these as spare in case something goes wrong. And then all these brackets and stuff I have. So I will end up using this cable here, which links the two brakes in the back. So these two come out and they attach together with this cable and these pieces here, and then the final that hooks up to this cable, and that should be it. So I will hook this sucker up. Actually, that went in a lot easier than I thought it was. I just peeled this back a little bit, bushing, the rubber washer, so we can get in there, and then I'll get that back on there. And then I think that's it. I may have to get some putty in there and seal that. Alright, so there's a little bit of some gaps in there. Right in here, water can definitely sneak in. So I got this some cool a putty that kind of dries a little bit, and then push that in there and go around just a little bit around these edges. Put that back on. All right, there we go. So I put that putty around on the inside around the ring, and then push this on. And you can see it squeezing out just a little bit, so that will seal that up. All right, so the cable is in. So here, and it comes down. And it comes down in front of the firewall, and then goes through the side frame, and then back out on the other side. And there we go. And then there's your clip right here. Clips in, holds it steady, and then goes back. And then later I will do the rest. But that's it for now. In order for me to get the fenders on and stayed on without taking it off, that should be it.